Okay, so we're looking at frequency tables today. So we're looking at the number of sunny days. So we're looking at some city. We can say Sioux City. And we're figuring out how many sunny days there are. So we're looking at like Sioux City, South Sioux City, maybe Omaha. We're looking at different ones over a period of time to see how many sunny days they have. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to write the numbers down. 21, 23, 14, 16, 7, 15, 7, 7, 9, 13, 4, and 8. So again, from the beginning, you've got 21, 23, 14, 16, 7, 15, 7, 7, 9, 13, 4, and 8. Okay? So when you're given a set of data, what's the first thing that you usually do? Haley? Put them in order. So what's my smallest number? 4. Oh. So I'm going to cross it out once I've used it. What comes next? 7. How many 7s do I have?
4, 3.
3 of them. Then what?
8.
8. Then what?
9.
9. Then?
13.
13.
14.
14.
15.
15.
16.
16.
21.
21.
23.
And 23. Alright, so you have 4, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, and 23. So all of these refer to the number of days. So I looked at this many different locations. So maybe Omaha had 14 sunny days. And maybe Kansas City had 23 sunny days. And maybe Fargo, North Dakota only had 4 sunny days. So we're looking at different locations and figuring out how many sunny days. Okay? Now I want to create a frequency table. So when I create a frequency table, I'm going to have my label in the first column. So I'm going to call this days. Days. Comes down.
There you go.
The next column is what we call a tally. And the last one is frequency.
I love tally chart. So cool.
So on your chart, your tally and frequency will always be that second and third column. The first column will determine whatever you're looking at for data. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to list these numbers in the days part, but I'm not going to repeat the numbers. Okay? So I'm going to do 4, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 23. So you just list the numbers without repeating them. Chloe. So then when I do the tally part of it, I'm looking and we use tally mark. So when I look, how many 4s are up in my list? 1. So I'm going to make 1 tally. How many 7s? 3. So I'm going to make 3 lines. How many 8s?
1.
How many 9s?
1.
How many 13s?
1.
How many 14s?
1.
How many 15s?
1.
How many 16s? How many 21s?
1.
How many 23s? Now your frequency part, you're going to actually write the number of tallies there was. So when I look, there was 1 tally, so under frequency I'm going to write 1.
3.
There was 3, and then all the rest had 1. So all my frequencies should be 1, except the 7, which had a 3. So that is a frequency table. And sometimes they may ask you questions on the frequency table. So the first question we're going to look at, what is the greatest number, and I'm going to do abbreviation, of sunny days? So what is the greatest number of sunny days?
7.
23.
23. Because the greatest number of sunny days, this says that there was 23 sunny days. So it should be 23. The next question. What is the least number of sunny days?
4.
Would be 4.
I'm doing it like questions.
This one's a little bit trickier. What fraction of the days, of the
Sunday.
days, yeah,
Of the sunny
had 20 or more sunny days?
That would be
2.
So, 20 or more, which days am I going to count in that?
21 and 23.
21 and 23. So I have 2, but it asks for what fraction?
2.
So how am I going to get the bottom number?
2 out of 3.
2 out of 3.
2 out of
2 out of what?
1.
How many
20.
days were there?
23. Oh, 2 out of 23.
No, because we got to count our frequency. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 2 out of 12.
Which reduces to what? What number goes into 2 and
1.
12?
26.
1 over 6.
I guess that.
So your fraction, the top number is how many there are. Your bottom number, you need to count all the frequency that is asking for. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Is that
So
one
make sure when it says what fraction, make sure your answer is a fraction. Okay?
Is that a 1 or 2?
2 over 12, 1 over 6.
Because they reduce.
Okay, so the next one you're going to look at are shoe prices. So let's say you've got 25, 29, 35, 49, 28, 25, 35, 48, 29, 49, 25, 35. So these are all looking at shoe prices.
25.
So what's the first thing I do in given a set of numbers?
25.
Put them in greatest to least.
Put them in order least to greatest.
Yeah.
So what's my smallest? 25. And how many 25s do I have?
2.
2. 3.
3.
What?
There's one in each line.
And then 29.
There's something before 29.
There is, no, 25. There's, no. 20, what?
28.
28.
Oh,
Then 20.
yeah.
Then 29. See how we do? Second row, first number. 29, and I should have 1, 2 29s. After 29 is going to be what?
48.
Careful. 35, and there's 3 of those. There's 1 in each row. What comes after 35?
How many are
48.
48. There's 3 35. 1 48, and then
349.
2 49.
I'm always wrong.
That's all?
Okay, so we're going to set up our frequency table. So the first one is going to be your shoe prices. What's the middle column going to be?
Tally.
Tally,
And then frequency.
and then frequency.
And you put them in order, we don't double.
Okay. List them out, but do not double them. So 25, 28, 29, 35, 48, 49.
Do we have 45?
We didn't have 45. We have 35. We didn't have 45, so. So how many 25s do I have?
You have
3. So I need 3 tallies. My frequency is
your frequency is 3.
3. How many 28s?
We had
So how many tallies do I need?
1.
1. My frequency is
1.
1. How many 29s?
1.
2.
2. How many tallies do I need?
2.
2 tallies.
And 2 frequency.
2 frequency. 35. How many tallies?
3.
3. How many frequency? 3. 48. How many tallies?
1.
1. Frequency?
1.
1.
49 is
2 tallies. Frequency is
2.
2.
I'm on a roll
Easy?
No. Hard. So hard.
Alright, so when you're doing tallies, if you have to get to 5, so a tally of 5, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and when I hit the 5th one, I do a cross on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so in case you forgot that, that is equal to 5. Then you would start over, so if I needed 6, it's going to look like that,
Yeah.
and you start over. Okay, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So once you get 5, you got to do that diagonal. Don't keep going. Why do we do it that way?
To keep track.
It's easier to count.
It's easier to count because if you have a bunch of these, then you can count by 5s and it makes it nice and easy.
Yeah.
Instead of going 3.
Okay?
4.
Instead of trying to count each individual line.
Which is hard.
That's one.
Okay? Questions on frequency tables?
Nope. So easy.
Alright, fill out your table of contents for today. Today is 3-7. And frequency tables.